Hello, I'm Karen Kilner and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and you can find me at kkcardcraft.net. I'm going to show you this fabulous stamp set. It's called Beautiful Peacock and it's one of our Sale-a-Bration gifts that you can get for free if you spend £45 or more from any of our catalogues. And as I say, this could be yours for free along with a few other products. And if you want to find out a lot more, then pop along to my website. I made one card, and as you can see by the side of it, very bright, just like a peacock. Not sure whether it's too bright. These are strips of paper, and I've made the peacock, and it's really bright. I looked on the internet for peacock colours, and these were sort of more of this them. I like it, not to everybody's taste, because it is so, some might call it garish, but I quite like it. But I'm going to show you a different way of doing it, just so you've got different variations, and I'm going to use some less in your face colours, if you like. So I'm using an ordinary card base, and this is Soft Sky, the cardstock, and so I'm going to do it so it's all very subtle. So I'm going to do the body of the peacock in with Marina Mist. So, and I'll put it about there we go. Clean my stamp. Then I'm going to, oops, got ink all over my hands now. Then I'm going to use Wisteria Wonder for the peacock feathers. I don't know whether this needs just to come in just slightly. There we go. Now this, the feathers, I don't know whether you can see, it's a stamp, and it's got that space there. Out of focus, come on, back in. In focus, come on. Doesn't want to focus me now. Come on, back in focus. There we go, sorry about that. So all I need to do is just line it up with the peacock and then stamp. Let's just put some ink on it first. So you can see that. There we go. There. Beautiful. Now you could leave that white, but I like my colour. So I'm just going to use the Soft Sky marker, and I'm just going to colour in those little dots, I think. I'm just making up this as I go along. I've just got a few colour things out. And then I'm going to use some powder pink marker to fill in those bits there. There we go. Oh, and I think I might just do the body as well. Then for the feathers, I'm just going to use one of the feather ones. In the stamp set there are two, and I used the two on the other side. There's that one and there's that one. So this is the bigger one of the two. So I'm going to use some Soft Sky. Let's just move that out of the way. And stamp pad. And then I'll just randomly start putting, I think I'll do 3 in this colour. Oops, there we go. There. Give it a clean, because I'm going to, especially if I'm going to use another colour. I can't see that. So it looks a bit of a mess at the minute. Then I'm going to put in some powder pink. So Bit of a colour theme going on here. I'm a bit of a colour themed. I like everything to be matching. Does it need another one of those? It's just, no, I'm not going to do another one in that colour, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some Marina Mist in again, I think, just to give it a little bit of just a swirl, maybe just a, oops. See, with the, I'm going to just stamp that up again, and as you can see, I've missed a little bit there, and I'm going to see if I can match this up with where I've been. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad though. It looks like I've just doubled it there. And I'm just going to put another little bit there. There we go. And I think that's enough there. You don't want to do too much. Then I'm gonna, there's another little, and I'm going to just use something a bit brighter, and I'm going to put some flowers on there, I think. I'm using Sweet Sugar Plum this time, and just put a few around. I don't think I need to. Just put one more there, and I think that's probably enough. There we go. And then I think what I'm going to do is right, I'm going to put, with Marina Mist again, I'm going to put the Beautiful Friend stamp at the top there, in the middle, and then I'm going to put bear with me. I've got a, this is probably a too big a stamp block for this, but it'll do. And then I'm going to do it in the Wisteria Wonder, or match it a bit. That's not straight. I'll just put that on. Today is all about you. There. There we go. I'll just bring that back down again. See whether you can see it. Today is all about you. I think that's quite sweet. I'm mumbling now, aren't I? Sorry about that. But you can see how it's done. There you go. And then what I'm going to do is just stick that on there, and then we'll have our finished card. I'll use the tear and tape to do that. So that's what I like about it. You can just come along. Because it's quite sticky once you get there. I've made a right old mess of my hands doing this. Mucky pup, aren't I? There we go, and I use a, I call it a pokey tool, to take the tape off. There we go. There. Then line that up. You could also put some sparkly things on there if you wanted to. There. See you soon. Bye.